Okay, let's take a start. It's going to be IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer.
Okay.
Just remember, speaking part 1 is a friendly conversation with IELTS examiner. And the purpose of part 1 is to relax your nerves, right? Because you'll have a lot of pressure, anxiety and all that. So by the time they ask you some friendly questions, you'll be fine. And examiners will try their level best to relax you, but you should feel relaxed also. Otherwise, you say, hey, I don't know what's going to happen with me and all that, okay? So how to answer the questions? Very simple. First of all, focus the question. The words they use in the question, try to use synonyms of those words. And try to use compound sentences mainly. Compound sentence means connect your ideas together, right? Speak in a friendly way, polite way, gentle way. A smile on your face when you're speaking, show full interest in examiner's questions, and you'll get good bench score, okay? So let's take a start. I'm going to ask you some questions about dream.
Okay.
So let's see. Do you often have dreams at night?
Yes, I often have dreams at night. Sometimes I have a pleasant dreams and sometimes I have a bad dreams, but I'm not that superstitious about it. So
Okay, so to answer your question, I almost always have dreams
Yeah.
every night.
Yeah.
One sentence conclusion. This is very important. I mean, you're giving a message to the examiner that my answer is finished. So the length of your answer was ideal. Just one concluding statement was missing. Let's go on. Have you ever had a bad dream before?
Yes, I have bad dreams many times.
I have had bad dreams many times. I have had present perfect tense.
Okay.
So let's do it again. Have you ever had a bad dream before?
Well, yes, I have had many bad dreams before. Basically, that I already told you that I'm not superstitious about that thing. So because it never comes into reality, so that's why I don't believe in bad dreams.
Good, very good. Just you need to organize your answer.
Okay.
Like you said, have you ever had bad dreams? Yes, I've had bad dreams many times before. And usually I don't think about bad dreams. Whenever I've had a bad dream, I forget about that all, as I'm not a superstitious person. So these dreams don't haunt my mind. So I forget about bad dreams. Something like that.
Okay.
Variety of words and all that. Let's go on. What was the strangest dream you ever had?
Well, the strangest dream I have in my life is that I have
had in my life.
I have had in my life that I have a paper, IELTS exam, and I get late, and the plus point is that due to heavy traffic, I didn't reach to the exam board. So that then I just get up, and it was just a dream, and
This is good. You just need to focus the tenses.
Okay.
And it could be better if you would have given this answer all in past tense. For example, what was the strangest dream you ever had? Once I had a strange dream about my exams, that I had an exam and I was unable to reach there. In my dream, I was badly stuck in the traffic and there was severe traffic jam in my country and I couldn't reach. So that was very strange dream. Even the whole day I felt awkward after that dream. That's it.
Yeah, okay.
Past tense, past simple tense. Now, one last question. What do you usually dream about?
I usually dream about a very weird things, but I pictured last night, especially like nowadays I'm just picturing about I'm going to America. So most of the dreams I'm just visiting different states in America, like Texas, New York. So it's just a dream.
Yeah, so most of my dreams are about different places that I would like to visit in the future.
Yes.
One sentence conclusion and focus
Okay.
on the proper organization. It'll be good. Okay, that's great. Let's go on.
Thank
It's
you.
going to be your turn. How often do you meet with your family members?
Actually on daily basis, because I live with my family and we are living in a combined family system. In our country we usually live with our family. So yes, answer to your question.
To answer your question, I
we
get
get
to
to
see.
see.
Now, get to see is
I
good
get
structure.
to see my
I
family
get to see
daily
my
basis.
family members every day, right? That's good. Good start. How do you spend time with your family?
Like we used to have
Don't try to do like we used to have. It means you're not fluent.
Okay.
So, How do you spend time with your family? I spend time with my family in a number of different ways. Most of the time, we have our meals together. All my family members get together for breakfast, so we spend time together. On the other hand, on the weekend, we also do barbecues. You know, just talk and talk and talk and talk pleasantly, actively. So I ask you again, how do you spend time with your family?
Usually we spend time while eating together. We also often watch TV together, and on weekends we do parties and go to somewhere like some Joylands or other parks.
So this is how we
This
spend
is
our time together,
Yes.
right? Good. Let's go on. Do you want to live with your family in the future?
Yes, obviously, because I love my family and we have a great time together, and I don't think I can ever imagine living without them in my life. So
Okay.
yes,
I would love to live with my family throughout my life.
Yes.
Different words, different phrases, and all that. Okay, one last question. How has your family influenced you?
My family influenced me in different ways. As my parents, they are very. They inspired me very much. Like they motivate me in
Motivate me, yeah.
Yeah, they motivate me in different ways, and my brothers and sisters are my sport programs. So yes, they influence me in different ways.
Yeah, they influence me in a number of different ways and something like that. Good, very good. Just organize your answers, be confident, and when your part 1 is going to start, you'll be relaxed. Then you'll say, okay, examiner is so good, very nice lady or gentleman, whatever, and then you'll be fine, right?
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.